What is your favorite social media app?
Twitter.
All right. And what is your favorite thing about being a grandfather?
It's everything.
All right. What is the biggest unexpected successful government of Rwanda project or policy?
It's try and change the mindset of Rwandans. From being dependent on others to depending on ourselves, but also collaboration with others. But the mindset change is key.
Right. And what would be your advice to the Arsenal coach?
Well, he's a good coach, first of all. And he's doing well with the team. So we need to, but when you are doing well, every time whoever is doing well, the next thing, that person wants to do better. So there is always wanting to do better than you are doing. So my advice is keep on going and doing better.
Awesome. All right. And what is your favorite Kinyarwanda umugani?
Wow. It's umugani said, uwanze kubwirwa ntabwo yanga kubona. Which means, therefore, that we should listen more and more and bear in mind of the cost of the mistakes, the failures we are likely to face. So which raises people's ability to think harder, to think about the consequences of doing wrong things, and keep on the path of trying to do the best you can.
Thank you for that. Okay, just one last one.
Yeah.
What would you say is the most impressive piece of technology?
I would put it in a general sense. Digital technology is important because it provides that foundation and platform on which everything else is built. Even what we are talking about in terms of artificial intelligence, it is all originating from that.